Okay, Train Your Brain, Intermediate LDS version. We're going to do one of these bigger ones. So we have 6 people and 3 attributes. So we need to make a 7x4 grid. So we'll make this one about this big. And when I have an odd number like 7, then I like to take out one of them. And then it's easier to split these into thirds. And then we have our top. And this will do into thirds as well. Okay, so we have Emery, Sophie, Chloe, Macy, Jennifer, and Fiona. Okay, we're going to figure out their spiritual gift, their attribute of Christ, and the temple that they have as their favorite. Okay, I'm just going to double check my grid here. We'll move that up a tiny bit. Okay, we have 14 clues to help us. So the way I like to do these puzzles is I go through the clues, read all of them. If it's a very straightforward clue, I write it in. And then if I was doing it in the book, I would also cross off the clue that I had used so I wouldn't have to reread it. Okay, Emery's spiritual gift is generosity. Emery's spiritual gift, generosity. One person's spiritual gift is leadership, and her favorite Christ-like attribute is virtue. So leadership is going to go with virtue. Sophie loves the Birmingham, England temple. Sophie's favorite temple is Birmingham, England. Okay. One member's spiritual gift is understanding, and she loves the Mexico temple. Let's see. Okay, so understanding has to go with the Mexico temple. Okay, Fiona's favorite attribute of Christ is faith. Fiona, attribute of Christ, faith. Okay. Macy's spiritual gift is being teachable. Spiritual gift, teachable. Okay. Chloe loves the Austin, Texas temple. Chloe, Texas temple. Okay. Someone's spiritual gift is work and wants to learn more patience as an attribute of Christ, but it's not Chloe. So work equals patience, but not Chloe. Okay, Jennifer's spiritual gift is peace. Okay. One person loves the Budapest temple and wants to be more obedient like Christ. So the Hungary temple equals obedience. Jennifer loves Hungary. Okay. Diligence is the attribute of Christ that Emery wants to work on. Emery, attribute of Christ is diligence. Diligence. Okay. Let's see. One member loves the Swiss temple. Okay, so Switzerland is going to be one of these. Okay. Back to one person's spiritual gift is leadership. And so that could be either Sophie or Chloe. It wouldn't be the others because the attribute of Christ and the spiritual gift have to go together, which means leadership and virtue are going together. So That's either this one or this one. We don't know yet. Okay, one spiritual gift is understanding and Mexico temple. Okay, so understanding, but we already have the temples here. So the spiritual gift of understanding goes with Mexico temple. Okay, so there we go. We're making it along here. Okay, someone loves the Atlanta temple and wants to have more hope as an attribute of Christ. So we have to have the temple. So either of these could be in Georgia, but the attribute of Christ is hope. So that's only going to be here. So Georgia, temple, and hope as the attribute of Christ. Okay, so see, those have to go together. Therefore, the grid really helps us at this point. Someone's spiritual gift is work. Spiritual gift of work, and wants more patience, but it's not Chloe. Okay, so spiritual gift of work goes with patience, and it's not Chloe, therefore it has to be Sophie, because this is the only one. These are the only two that had the blanks left, so it has to be this one. Okay. Let's see. One person, hungry, and wants to be more obedient. Okay, so we already got the temple, but we didn't add in that part. Okay. Jennifer loves the hungry temple. Okay. Diligence. We got that. One member loves the Switzerland temple. Okay. So we have that. Okay, we need to figure out the last attribute and spiritual gift. Okay, let's see. One person's spiritual gift is leadership. And the attribute is virtue. Okay, we figured it out. There we go. Happy puzzling. So puzzles work your brain. You have to remember things. You have to pay attention. You have to use organization skills and problem solving. So, all right.